Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. Just making a quick update video. I'm going to make some more detailed videos. I haven't made a lot of videos here lately, but I'm going to make some more detailed videos next week about our year. But just a quick update. We're going to end the year probably somewhere around 530,000 in revenue, which was about 25% growth over last year. I knew we weren't going to, knock it out of the park this year because my attention's been split between this business and my martial arts school, but we still had good growth. Had to make some staff changes with a couple of my key guys out in the field. I knew it was coming. It was some problems that I created in the beginning, with a lack of leadership, and things just kind of went south, and it was just time for change and a reset as far as that. Was able to hire two really good guys with good experience to replace those positions, and those guys are, from the start, I can tell they're probably some of the best hires I've made. But things are going good. We've got big plans for next year, really pushing heavily fertilization and weed control and pest control, which we've started to get into, which is a whole nother learning curve as far as how to get customers, how to thrive in that space. But I'm really excited about it. We did well with Christmas lights. We had some challenging with staffing where we couldn't really put our foot on the gas and really try to sell a lot of Christmas lights. I think we ended up doing about 120 in Christmas lights. But I think with the proper staff in place, I think we could have. Hey buddy, there's Alex. I think we could have easily done 175 in Christmas lights, but we kind of had to keep our foot on the brake and make sure that we're able to get through the work that we had already committed to doing for the year. Right now the guys are out. It's the second week of December. The guys are out doing the last round of mowing, and they're about to start the last round of treatment. We're going to start training our new technician that I hired this week. So we should have a full schedule to the end of the year. And going into early next year, we'll start with our Christmas light removals, which will take a couple weeks in January. And then we'll be right back into round one of treatments. Yeah, things are going well. Sorry I haven't had more updates. I was hoping to make more videos during Christmas lights, but I wasn't out in the field very much with that. I was down there on one of our big commercial projects that we do. That project, I don't think we're going to do it anymore. It's just way more hassle, way more complication, way more liability, much more difficult customers. I'd prefer just to do residential installs where they're simple. I don't have to be there. It's lower liability, and the people are just easier to deal with. We can set our schedule, and we don't have to work around different deadlines or things that these commercial jobs might have. I would still do commercial roof lighting. That's fine. It's no different than residential, but this is like what I'm referring to as a big Christmas light show that we do with big prop pieces and big 20-foot Christmas tree and lots of stuff like this. And there's just a lot of coordination between a lot of people, and it's just honestly not worth the money. I could go out in the same amount of time that's involved and make a lot more doing residential Christmas lights. So even though it's a big job, it's just not, it's not worth continuing. But yeah, that's kind of our update. I'll make some more detailed videos on each of these situations. I'd love to hear how your year is going, or how it's went below. And, look forward to updating you guys on the rest. Have a good day.